Tata, my country people are throwing a big salute for outside day. You feel call me Michael. Call me Congo Saman. 3 o'clock na hour we will come for Chakra on 34 talk about the wonderful and terrible country happen for inside this we country where this afternoon we go Chakra to talk about Palava examination SEB for French section and first school for English section. For that side for Fumban, irresponsible papa and mommy, it don't make them picking, it don't miss one school year. After way, mommy, it be go cry die. Pa, it sleep for outside. Pa come back for 11 o'clock before give book for picking say go write the exam. Alas, picking enough right so we'll take on our cargo for outside, even we'll go for Bafia, see how the tonton write for literal, all things be past ponke, palava writing, even though plenty anglophone for first school, there be plenty the one that say, man, why not only anglophone, the only one is in a palava for no, I don't send all them. But when na head for human being again, they discover for around hospital roundabout. Wait to be Palava Koti head them for inside the country. We also check out the government this afternoon. They go work out to take when I go to the other side where they call and say for Dakar, presenting for inside Douala here for talk about Palava accident. Where a solo birth certificate for one Okada man with the Benso. Then from that side, we will talk about strike for transporters and way they don't start for respect time. Yesterday for that type of better, where majority go camion drive them, they be pack, even though they say they want for child the other side and they be turned on for somebody have go now, it turned on to tell and say they give them 30 days for them they look how they go do reduce this kiture for road. Then for inside the other here, they be hold to the own government for tell waiting minutes and then talk after we talk to we don't to read them to go work and look about other houses, even the government the way they talk about the whole of Yaoundé, about the room where they talk say cooking gas. They some people outside sell gas for 10,000, so when they sell at 8,000, so when they sell for their own money with the lake. Government say now only catching for years, they go enter for man where they go catch where they sell gas very expensive. You feel call me Michael, call me Congo Saman. Ask proper. Start for Chakara to read this afternoon, my good people. Bamenda city dwellers them for that side, they see Tonton. Wonder, wait till the Tonton happen. Would Palava one way they call corporate head and three. I'm called my head, but I called my head. I don't, in fact, hospital roundabout, people them around that side, business people on that side, they say they don't tire for run. They don't run them again. After way, yesterday, they can't try again. Another head for human being. For inside Sasamoto. Why? They record put ahead. Even though we saw they struggle for getting now bring one the update for that side for talk about who he had when they tonton cut them, even though the Tori to see the Baba go show the camp with the update them as we tonton get them as early as possible for we big Tori time for 8 o'clock for evening. But move take one at this time around control will come for that side for talk about Palava accident. It happened. Now for this side for littoral, precisely where they call and for this side they call and say Dakar. That thing where you see the cover and so now human being be that. Wait happen we if be there on top Okada, it start from make so and you know so Okada in the bend so in the bend left, in the bend right, in the bend right, in the bend right. Now the Kitu he on the cam tonton for cover you Ngongoro where the supply will turn up so he don't do his own kind of work if you do for that side. Oh my don't say where yo where see the pass so he don't come out tell woman say me I go find someone to come. He come on off road, he run me it turn to someone I be very good driver. I be very good driver because when I enter that traffic at the part so swap forget so Ngongoro no be sabi whether you be good driver or you no be good driver. Now so when it tonton cause traffic for the yesterday for that side for Dakar, people from that side they say where make your soul erase for perfect peace. And other people say Okada walai tala me I no fit climb onto Okada it dey kill man na so. Now so Kiture from that side they come turn do work for firefighting brigade, turn do it wrap the diabolic wrap and put an inside taxi say direction mortuary after the police for day before they start here they go turn for see for identify for semi family too. If he tonton can't do it, work for that side out. And take una two koro I see how police and two they do fine work sharp because they cause serious traffic for that side out. I see how they put a tonton stand up for the 1 2 man. He enter a front taxi man. I put double traffic to wing mom and the motorway it is supply mulu where it tonton do the grinding. So people and two the tonton confirm to this. So this man if they run like say it be lick enter. So and you know me they run no. Pew! That's it. Run. You know, Sabi said that baby na the one when I think na the only one for television. Now so way people for that side they turn now waiting. Escort the driver say make a waka for better people if you go control after we say when you don't kill. Police say you do the constant. You follow you will go for commissariat or the shoot up for back counter. Even though the word the baby man for company for send me a can't do science more book. Patrick Mo come over that side. Continue now on a story for talk about rumors and true story. In fact, some people say that true. So I say that rumor. So other people say some people only say domestic gas. When they some go na say me they sell them for 6,500. Other people now they sell them for how much? 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. For some side, they might say, now because of transportation, now why are they sell my own 10,000? If you want them, go buy a supply, they buy them, you cancel them. They say, governor, it don't talk, say, make them sell the gas for 6,500. Some people say, as Sonera, it don't burn. Price for gas, it will go up. So when they say scarcity, it go lack. Even though people when they get into now, they don't come out with it. Some man don't come out, you go buy 3-4 bottles of gas one time. You can't pack them for your kitchen. Why other people don't even get the gas? You don't make them the quantity where the company will produce them. Then now it won't be like say one shot, so they feel like say scarcity for gas. You don't know because people don't know they buy 2, 3, 4, 5 bottles, pack them for hand, pack them. People they get their money. The man poor man away. You go wait when gas finish before you carry bottle for head. I don't find gas. I don't find gas. When you go rich, gas no day. You go for the other side. They say get never supply gas. You go for the other side. They say never supply gas. They start talking to this. So scarcity for gas. It don't enter for inside Cameroon. But after the Ndungame with the Shidonga for us for Yaoundé, minister then talks to this. So palava, this gas scarcity. It no good day. And price, it no must change. Say them say they go send a control, make a work a control. So if you see man where you don't sell you gas for price, you know me so you give for sell report for Kitu. Report for Kitu before they want Tonton can catch you. They make a meat chop and cackle in Tonton with GSO because it like all the catching make them life it become very expensive. Patrico, me we hear from the result the way they come for inside in Dungamen for that side for Yaoundé as waiting they don't take them as resolution them for concerning this palava scarcity for gas so they don't announce them.
With a reassurance to the population that let them rest assured gas will always be supplied. And not only be supplied, but being supplied at the price which has been homologated by the state, 6,500 francs, and to reassure them that there is not going to be any foul game in the field. Our partners are those, the private actors who are involved in this, have their distributors. They are going to sensitize their distributors as to the supply and the price. That is why these middlemen, their principal bosses, you have here Tradex, Bocom, Total, Neptune, Green Oil. They are all with us. They are the ones, the first responsibility and engagement they have taken here is to make sure that the middlemen respect the prices. You're going to sensitize them and do the first control while we are coming to reinforce this control. So this is part of the engagement.
You don't hear, no? Say, na them go do first control, then go na it come like a number 2 control, and that one where they catch you, can't go for years to go Trump plenty. But they come over that side, take una bring up for this side for littoral, precisely for talk about governor delegate, talk Dr. Frick, it be go work for simple for that side of marché Congo where they so you know that new market can't teself where they say me they go for corner marché de chèvre. Now for they way business per now they get for go to they said that for their store be bon. It come for can look work here they don't feel the place, see play where police go there and play office they go there because na business people now give for can begin put their zinc then they get us so small money for go down for the work where you don't work for that side. Even though business people do the tonton, so when they can say how go that delegate don't take the capital for prison, so they who can prison they don't put for it. They say that can't say people but don't plenty for there because you know that place be in a bush no any place in a bush man in the lake. Okay, you see I work to go for the fine. They don't come. Dr. Frick, they don't put fence, so that make a block, they play 5 and some people say, hey, they want them in prison now, they don't put business for them. No be prison yard where they don't put them, but business for the tonton as the coordinator for the market they talk to this, so they say we can go not delegate. If they do something, the farmer will don't start for doing so make a finish like a good power. And for finish that farmer, I tell me give them some more piquet, and give them some more planking. For some they feel them, dig a hole, put them, dig a hole, plant them, divide any show them, give even small one thing they put them on top here house. If it tonton help plenty business for them because majority na people we fire, it don't catch their business kako and money you know they tonton for living from hand to mouth, so they will come again. They say go buy a small plank, go buy a small zinc, go buy a small one. You pay your technician, you go see the money, you go only tonton plenty for them, and it go heavy for them. So me governor delegate it tonton be on better work as if we don't start for that side. Patrick, me will leave that side, continue now una tori as we come for that side for counties. Go take una go to for Betwa. Yesterday, according to how business people the way they record say camion drivers say they be park their motor them. They be park the motor say in fact, even governor because they want for chat, they be strike. They control not too much. Chadian government, it reduce control for all, it reduce custom, it try to put all things in order. Now so they don't turn and say next place for strike, if it be in a Cameroon way, so they be talk say strike they start for Monday at all they may papa they go to say no man in the hook over that on governor, a more reduce that control they will custom way. They know they for look paper for motor. They don't have to look the paper way you get for them. In fact, they say camion drivers them, they work now for road now say when you come, they break you, motor boy they come out. He go check him. Say, Oga custom na high. He say, my pikin na there oh. Pa, you don't chop. He say, no, pa, I never chop pikin. He say, pa, take this small one, you chop there. Other one come, pa, you don't chop. No, I don't chop. Now say, I never drink small water. Pa, take the one, you drink small water. They say, it don't turn make am for way with it, so they know if you work and I did make am price for thing, the high price for inside Semak way. If all the thing they be day low, it no go turn worry them. Then too, they go turn for work and fine for road because their patron they pay all paper. Pay even all, in fact, pay all so they go past the well all. But for them, control, he do his work, check the car where they don't carry a normal. They instead they ask now for gombo. And that gombo they ask on small money, give small money. Or they go waste your time, say they need to open the one, check them, she waste your time, they open the one, as you no one give money, they go make you like, you go stay for one place like a 30 minutes. You go stay for some place like a 1 hour. After they say me, you go. They say, okay, next time we go teach down, I will teach you sense. So when you come, they ask you something, you give them the something, then you go your worker, nobody, you know, go look at you. Patrick, press button move come for this time for Douala after that meeting where he be passed for Yaoundé. Now so where camion drivers then too, they turn now come here waiting. They are oga them. That trade union as they go for that time we go discuss minister and so they come back now. Cancer tell them. We don't go talk with the minister them. They don't talk and say, we will give them 30 days. But we will not there for strike. If I tell we will go back continue to work because we are picking our mommy with our partner, they go for 50 their own picking them with the other one them. So they come back for give back the report for their people for this side, for their own office and for this side for Douala, for terrorism. I think that way they so they don't go for that side and go now, you don't talk. So me they fair wait for the strike and continue for the work. Why after 30 days, me and go now tell them whether they so this Douala and Jamina, Douala Chad for that side, make control go reduce or you know go reduce because Camera they say it don't too much and when you don't over too much, if they not come out stand like a one man, thing they no go turn better for inside this country. More come over that side, Patrick. Carry we waka go for the other side with the corner and security for littoral. We'll talk about SEP and first school living certificate. The first certificate after where they so the one where you get them after you finish for nursing school, they give them small diploma for that side and small one. The first official one will go now. And in Sabi and for better where I need them to for work and rights other thing them. Like how it be start yesterday for Douala here so picking them where they become up for go ride their first school and SEP. The one for Douala, their mommy and their someone and their mommy they accompany someone and their papa they accompany and say will come to Pusika and say now their first day for exam, their first official exam, if I say we support them for say this so me picking, you know come the party. I don't even forget they when my papa become leave me for my for school for say me I write to my own SEP and so I know if she don't do for her, I know can accompany my picking them for do thing when my papa be doing for me because I remember that day and my papa be talk for me, talk me small talk, I will give me plenty courage so when they come work and look at now A1. Yes, they say no, you run for A1. Picking enter for A1 before come back for that time. But any idea for littoral, it be pass fine. Patrick, carry we go to now for Fumban as you over Harry. Yeah, Patrick. You see the Pekin so? Hey! Thing will happen for the Pekin. In fact, someone say, if na me, I don't go forget it. I don't go forgive my mama and papa. For sika waiting. This Pekin, other Pekin, they start write exam. For that type of Fumban. For 8 a.m. You know how he comes school? He comes school for 11:45. They say, Pekin, what thing happened before you come for school? Nana, he say, oh, maître, na my papa and mommy, oh. They say, papa and mommy, he don't do it. He say, my mommy, he be go cry, die. He no come back. My papa too, he be come out, he no come back for us. He sleep for outside. And he no come back for morning time. He come around that 11:30. Now time we don't come back before he give me a sleep for say make a run come for school. I can't she don't for ride. Because they say, where Asia. They say, okay, bye go you back for her because you know very right here. Because I don't talk say this so you get that's so 15 minutes. If 15 minutes he pass, you know if he enter again over for class. And even delegate for Palava education, YouTube will work control look school from one school to another, one school to another. Yeah? They say some woman too, he carry on picking, he come for about 15 minutes past 8. With a big motto. Eh? Now so we teacher them to the tonton head in a head kind of picking for inter class for saying this so me the tonton for saying me tonton right the own exam so mommy and papa una need for get conscious for member say this so education na key for picking a life at the picking stand so all thing they doing. All thing they doing. Beg for repeat now. Now next year again we go right. Because they say the law is the law. You fear the law, you don't fear the law. Because Cameroon in a country where they follow law. May we leave that side, Patrick, for Palava, but we'll also continue. We think we go to that side for Bafia. For see how, picking them for that side for Bafia, how them two, they should for class for write this Palava examination with this for Bafia. It not be easy because picking them on that side as early as possible so they don't come out. About 580 students for Palava French section for SEP. Then for first school they talk about 638 picking them. Now so they don't come out for that side for Bafia and Bame Kim, the other side, all them they be shown for the various classroom them. But they say, man, why Anglophone side is nobody only high? Eh? Because even for littoral where they talk of about 480. Something picking the way they write 4,885 picking the way they write. They only talk about English section. They talking about 21,540 something picking the way they talk for write for separate section for Anglophone side, but they increase the number for Anglophone them. They only high. Now for Palava witty, or in the Palava for Norway and the South way. You don't send plenty picking the night. They don't transnear come for this side, but for Bafia for that side, they write Ponke ultimate pass fine. Even though the one who they come late, they just talk say okay as we come late. Move, forget about you. Don't want to be absent. They say as you absent, you're your own now. Only bye and you know if you continue for that side, but for that side all thing a pass fine as how even chief of center they will delegate them to the talk so they don't work and do their own small control. See and say all thing in the work and fine according to how governor a be plan number one only for tonton make una sabi how they picking the two they write their exam. Patrick, take we move and with this other Ndongament way if it go on for that side for Yaoundé from number 11 day going for 14 days. People then whether they work for Kadas, domain for Palava House, them as minister for house and housing Palava too. If be there for that side for Yaoundé for Sika Palava land title then would Palava this other way in there for inside land sector. Then say some people occupy and governor land. All one then say they occupy them land. In fact, who no been sabi who be sabi and Palava fake land title them. Say no must exist. Nangobna. With the ministry for this type of housing and urban development and to be tonton organize the big government for to retrain people they be in charge for Palava land title. They are organ them all them day Yaoundé. Now that's the Chakara Tori because the government part start for number 11 day and you go finish for number 14 day for retrain them and for remind them what to be their duty, how they get for work, how they get for do. Why me man no carry land title governor a land he give them for private man, should they give them land title, make them sabi say this so Cameroon a country for law me all man tonton for respect it work and for do things according to how it's supposed to happen for that side for inside the government they say that 4 days training where they so they go tonton for move them and for remind them their duty and wait till they be called for do am, and even a period of enam to they can support them. For give them small knowledge, give them the small story where they turn go learn and for that time for school, for tell them how they get for work there for say make this country a turn be for better way as they yet take una to koro idea siam. Any idea countryman, now the small one that go be cooking for that for inside the story as anything happen for inside this country. Me na Congo Saman Patrick na hit press button for say una see my eye. Any story, anything go una see for after the way vex na if you send up for WhatsApp for that thing number you see am too. If you know the same for that side, you feel call we inform with that until the party we say we'll take call, will correspond and then or we people will work with them for same the tonton reach for that side on time and me una hear and see to it happen for our own side. But if una get na una palava business story na palava una announcement una fit so ring with through that thing number then we say we'll tell una how una fit do for send me that announcement it go for us and me put them sabi the new thing we don't tonton for bona or the new one we don't tonton for create and for send me thing too the better for we and better for you too for better way. I don't go. So for tomorrow, I will come back for some more Chakara Tori.